Tremendous loans, credit, and credit lines for truckers. Over the road trucking is considered a high risk industry. This is according to SIC, Standard Industrial Classification, and NAICS Standards, North American Industry Classification System. See referenceforbusines.com/industries/transportation communications utilities /trucking accept local.html. What are typical high risk industries like? Normally, high risk industries have some things in common. There can be high risks of injury on the job, or an industry may engage in a lot of cash transactions. This is true regardless of the safety record of a particular business or the majority of its transaction types. Trucking comes under the injury risk umbrella. Conventional banks are not a good place to look for loans for high-risk industries. Over 89% of business applications are denied by the big banks. High-risk industries are subject to stricter underwriting guidelines. It is possible to get loans from conventional sources, but it's not easy. Alternative lenders are often your best bet. Let's look at LVRG. They offer cash flow financing, working capital, revenue-based financing, business lines of credit, term loans, and cash advances. Let's recap. Trucking tends to be a high-risk industry. This means rates are less favorable at traditional lenders. Fortunately, there is an array of alternative options. Many such lenders specialize in truck financing. Contact us today to learn more about tremendous loans, credit, and credit lines for truckers.